Radiogiornale Bellunese now airing. Daily news from the Belluno province. Welcome to a new edition of the Radiogiornale Bellunese. These are the news from today, December 27th, 2022. There were 5 injured in the accident that happened on Christmas Eve in Busche. It was a crash between 2 cars that happened at 18:30. A person got stuck in sweat on the cars and needed to be rescued by the firefighters. Everyone was brought to the hospital, but no one is at risk of life. On the same day, there was also a crash between 2 SUVs in Anzù. 3 people were wounded and rescued from the vehicles. The dynamics of the accident are still being investigated. Hikers stuck on the Casariega Trail. Intervention on Christmas Day by the Soccorso alpino. The rescuers were alerted by the owner of Rifugio Lagazuoi, who had been alerted by the 2 German hikers. They were rescued by SWAM's helicopter. Fire in Sedico. The firefighters intervened for an apartment block roof that had burst into flames, making 2 apartments unusable. The firefighters managed to stop the fire from spreading. The fire had started because of the chimney flue, interdicted the buildings until they are restored. Thefts in Ponte, nelle Alpi. Victims, a house in Quantin and 2 others in Losego and Roncan. The thefts happened in the afternoon of December 23rd. The Carabinieri are investigating the case. In Belluno, in the night between the 23rd and the 24th of December, 4 cars parked between Cavarzano and Mussoi were targeted. The vehicle's windows were broken, and the steering wheels, pieces of the dashboard, and in one case the seats, were stolen. The police is investigating the event and checking the surveillance cameras. Passing to sports, Volleyball Serie A3. The second half of the championship begins in the worst way possible for DRL Belluno, defeated in yesterday's match against Sandona. They were defeated during the tiebreak after the other team's comeback. Finally, hockey. Cortina mathematically at the Serie A championship semifinals. Spot at the top of the rankings consolidated thanks to yesterday's 5-0 victory against Fassa. The victory also makes them closer to the second place in the Alps League. Tomorrow they will be on the field again to play against Bregenzerwald. And that is all for this edition. We wish you a nice day in the company of Radio BM, the Bellunese Mondo Association's web radio. You just listened to Radiogiornale Bellunese, daily news from the Belluno province.